Hello everyone! A big hi from Child Yogi. So today it's a very special session because today we are going to do this session with someone, with your partner. Your partner can be your mom, your dad, your siblings, your friends, or anyone you want to do yoga with. But today, two people are going to do yoga together. Aren't you excited? Because we are. Okay, come on. Let's start with some breathing. So sit down. Your legs crossed, both your hands on your knees, make sure your back is straight. We are going to do the buzzing bee pranayam, the buzzing bee breathing. So what you have to do is you have to breathe out completely. You have to take a deep breath in, and while breathing out, you have to make the buzzing bee sound. So what sound does the bee make? See, look at me and then we'll do it together, okay? You have to breathe in, and while breathing out, you have to extend the humming sound, okay? So pronounce hum and you have to extend it. Let's do it together for 5 counts, okay? Breathe out completely. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in. Breathe in. Take a deep breath. One more time, breathe in. Let's rub our palms. And place it on your eyes. Slowly move it along your face and open your eyes. Are you ready for some stretching? Come on, get up. Try getting up without touching your hands on the ground, and we will start. So we will start with the main joint, that is our neck. So you have to look towards your partner and then away from your partner. Let's do it together. Towards your partner, slowly. And now away from your partner. Towards the other side. Towards your partner. And away from your partner. One more time. Towards your partner. And away from your partner. Excellent. And now come in the middle slowly. You have to look up towards the ceiling and then down. Touch your chin to your collarbone, okay? So come on, start up. Look up. Slowly come down and touch your chin to your collarbone. Look up. Up. And look down. Touch your chin to your collarbone. Look up. And look down. Excellent. And come in the middle. Come up. Now let's move towards our hands. So point your hands like this. We will start with small circles and then slowly increase the size of the circles. Come on, slowly. Bigger and biggest. Come on, 1, 2, 3, very good. 4 and 5. Look towards your partner. Let's start with small, and now bigger. Try to match their hands and bigger. Come on. Yes. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Anti-clockwise. Come on, from down, bring them up. Yes. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, take your hands down. Let's twist. So what you have to do is stay close to your partner. You have to twist and clap like this. Twist away and clap this side. Okay, twist and clap this side. Twist your torso, twist your back. Come on, very good. 2 more times. this side and twist. Very good. Now let's move our legs. So start walking, 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 walking. Slowly, slowly we'll increase our speed. So walk, 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 walk. Slowly, slowly start jogging. Now we are jogging. Jog, 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 jog. Very good. Continue, continue, continue. Keep jogging, keep jogging, keep jogging. You can do it. Keep jogging. Now let's move towards our legs. So we are going to keep both our hands straight like this. Lift your leg up and try to touch your thighs to your hands. Come on. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now you have to touch your heel to your butt. Okay, so we will try to touch our heel to our hips. 1, 2, 3, look straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Excellent. Come up. Both your hands on your shoulders. And now you have to touch your elbow to your opposite knee. Okay, so you have to twist, touch your elbow to your opposite knee, twist, touch your elbow to your opposite knee. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3 and start. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, stop. I think we are almost done with the stretching. Let's go towards some poses. Come on, so we will do the standing poses together. First, we will go on our, join your toes. We will go on our toes and then on your heels, okay? But we are going to support each other. Both our hands up and hold your hands like this. Now 1, 2, 3 and up, 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 up on your toes and balance. Come on, 1, 2, you have to help each other. 3, 4 and 5. Go down. Again, 1, 2, 3 and up. 1, 2, 3, balance. 4, look straight and 5. Excellent. Go down, down, down. Now stand sideways. Let's do the tree pose. So stand sideways. You have to hold your partner's waist from here and try to balance. Okay, so this is a balancing pose. So select a point, stare at that point. Slowly, slowly lift your opposite legs up. Slowly, slowly lift your opposite leg up. Let one of your partner do it and then lift your leg up, not on your knee. Always place it on your thigh or you can place it on your calf, but not on your knee. So try to place it on your thigh and now join your hands. Let's hold this pose. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Excellent. Slowly, slowly take your leg down and let's change the position. So earlier I did my left leg. This time I'm going to do my right leg. Hold your partner's waist. If your partner is smaller in height, so you can place your hand on their shoulders. Come on. Support each other. First one and then the second one. Join your hands. Yes, we can do it. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Excellent. Take your hand down. Let's do some tilting poses. So you have to keep some distance between your partner and you. And now you have to tilt. Okay, so both your that hand up. Yes. Now slowly, slowly point it towards the sky. Up, 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 up. And try to join your partner's hand. So are you tilting from one side? And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Excellent. Let's change the position and let's start. Your hand this way, your hand facing the sky. Lift it up, 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 up. Join and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Excellent. Go and sit down. Let's do some sitting poses. So 1, 2, 3, jump and sit down. Now look towards your partner and spread your legs. So I am spreading my legs and my partner will place her feet on my calf. Okay, so she is placing here on the calf, not on the knee. Do not put any pressure on the knee. Hold your partner's hand and you have to pull your partner towards yourself, and you have to lie down and then let them pull you and you go down. Make sure that your knees are straight while you're doing this. Don't bend your knee. Come on, don't bend your knee. And 3 more times. You can do it. Excellent. Pull, 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 pull your partner. Pull your partner. Up, 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 up. And one last time. Excellent. And come up in the straight. Now let's change the legs. Now you spread your legs and I'll place my legs on her calf, okay? Can you experience the stretch on your thighs? Come on, pull, 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 pull your partner and go down, 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 down. Excellent. Pull, 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 pull your partner and go down, down, down. Pull your partner and go down, down, down. Just 2 more times, we can do it. Pull and down. Very good. Pull and down. Now come in the middle, join your legs and let's sit back to back. Straight legs, both your legs are straight. And now you have to lift your hands up. Now my partner will push me down, down, down and try to touch your toe, try to touch your forehead on your knees but without bending your knees, okay? Hold 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you have to push your partner behind, behind, behind and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, push, 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 push and hold. 1, 2, make sure your knees are straight. 3, 4 and 5. Go behind and push your partner. Hold. 1, 2, you can do it. 3, 4 and 5. We'll do this for one last time. Come down, 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 down and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly, slowly go behind and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come up in the middle, and this one, the next one which we are going to do is a difficult one, so I want you to be very, very careful, okay? So one person at a time. We are going to do the candle pose. So what is the candle pose? Your partner has to lie down on the ground. Yes, this. Lie down. Both your legs straight, both your hands beside your body, your head on the ground. Do not look here and there. Even while you're doing this, first look at me and then do it. You can pause, you can look, you can do it, but don't look here and do it, okay? So you do not have to turn your head while doing it, because if you do, you can get a strain on your neck. So very, very careful, okay? We are doing the candle stand. You have to lift, fold your knees, yes, lift your leg and you have to give a jerk. So here you have to support your partner's leg. You have to give a jerk and hold your waist, okay? Look how she does it. 1, 2, 3, give a jerk and hold your waist. Now your legs are straight. You have to support with one leg, support your partner's back and her waist. And now let her hold the waist and shift her hands towards her back. Carefully, okay? Carefully. Her chin is touching the collarbone. Her hands are on the waist. The legs are straight. They are straight from the knee. The complete body is straight and she is gazing towards her toes. And let's hold. Support your partner. Hold. 1. Keep breathing. 2, 3. You have to hold their ankle. 4, 5. And slowly, slowly while leaving, fold the knees. And come down, 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 down. No jerky movements at all. You have to be very, very slow and careful. Do not move your neck. Do not give a jerk and come down. Now we are going to increase the difficulty level. We will try the headstand. So let's try the headstand, but very, very carefully. So let's try headstand. Tell your partner to sit in Vajrasan first. Come on. So this is Vajrasan, where your back is straight, where your toes are touching each other and not overlapping, where your ankle is flat, where your knees are straight and your hands are on your knees. Now you have to interlock your fingers and place your elbow exactly beside your knee, okay? Your interlocked fingers. This is the crown. The mid part of your head is known as the crown. You have to place your crown on the ground, not on your hands, okay? On the ground. You have to support your head with your hands. Now, slowly, slowly lift your hips. First, look at us, then only do. Point your toes on the ground. You have to support your one leg here on the back and slowly, slowly lift your partner's leg up and hold her. So her complete body is straight. You have to hold the toes, support your leg here and let's hold. 1, 2, 3. Make sure your complete body is straight. 4, 5. We can do it. 6, 7, 8. Very good. 9 and 10. Slowly, slowly fold your knees. Go down, down, down and let her relax. Let her relax. Now we are going to do one easy pose. Just sit down like this. We have to balance on our hips, okay? So you have to join your legs, hold your hands, okay? Now you're joining your legs. Try to lift your one leg up and then your other leg up. And we have to balance. Come on, balance, balance, balance. 1, 2, excellent. 3, 4, 5, you can do it. 6, come on, balance, back straight. 7, try to keep your back straight. Yes, 8, we can do it. 9 and 10. Slowly, slowly take your legs down, 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 down and let's relax. So we will relax in the child pose today. Again, sit in Vajrasan. Both your legs like this. And let's relax in the child pose. So you have to take your hands up, 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 up. Take a deep breath in. Slowly, slowly go down. Bring your hands closer to your body. Make sure your forehead is touching the ground, but do not lift your hips. So if you're doing this, this is wrong. You have to touch your hips to your heels. If you're not able to touch your head, it's completely okay, but don't lift your heels. Let's hold and let's relax here. Slowly, slowly get up, slowly, slowly get up and let's rub our palms. Come on the mat. Let's rub our palms. Come on, keep your eyes closed. Rub, 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 rub. Place it on your eyes and slowly, slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed the session because I enjoyed the session with my partner. If you do it alone, you might not be able to do the difficult poses. But if you have someone to help you, you can do everything you want, right? So try this pose with your partner, with your friends, with your parents, with your family members and let us know. Okay, bye-bye. But before we say, namaste. See you in the next session.